Welcome all of you wonderful sauce and gravy lovers out there. Today we're going to dive into a sauce for a salad. Yes, a salad dressing, a vinaigrette. I'm going to quickly show you how to make a sesame seed vinaigrette. You'll want to grab the ginger first. I'm using premium ground ginger. It has a touch of sweetness to it. It's really nice for these type of dressings. I'll put a link in the description below. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put in some brown sugar. 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of brown sugar. Just dump it on in. Pour in 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of apple cider vinegar. Take a whisk, mix it up, get everything well incorporated. Try to dissolve that brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper in. Give that a turn. Time for you to round up that sesame oil. 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters, throw it on in. To this, we're going to add a little bit more oil, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, 75 milliliters. Put 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. You can use white, you can use black sesame seeds, whatever you have on hand. You can toast them if you like, go for it. Put it in, now whisk it up. Comes together really quick. So there you go, that's how you make a sesame seed vinaigrette. Now all that you have to do is drizzle it on that salad and enjoy. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button to learn new sauce and gravy making tips and techniques.